planning out content can feel like a full-time job. What if AI could give you a week's worth of posts in minutes? Coming up with content ideas every single day can feel overwhelming, but AI makes it simple. Here is the exact prompt I type. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT lays out 7 days of ready-to-use posts, complete with topics, captions, and suggested formats. You could plug this into your favorite scheduling tool and instantly have a week of content ready to go. But here's the catch. Having posts is only half the battle. The real challenge is creating a consistent strategy that actually drives sales, not just likes. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Across 5 easy to follow episodes, it shows you how to organize your content, offers, and AI tools into a business plan that works. No funnels, no tech headaches. I've linked the challenge in the description so you can check it out. Plus, you also get bonuses like the silent marketer strategy to reach millions of viewers without showing your face, and a copy and paste database of proven AI prompts to save you hours of work. Instead of guessing what to post, let AI build your calendar and the challenge show you how to turn it into a system that makes sales. It is less than $20 and you will find the link waiting in the description.